The time is currently 6:03 p.m. Central Daylight Time. You're listening to NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards, station WXJ71 in Peoria. A tornado warning remains in effect until 6:15 p.m. for southeastern Tazewell County. At 6:01 p.m., a confirmed tornado was located over Hopedale, or 13 miles southeast of Pekin, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards included a damaging tornado and 2-inch hail. Source, at 6 p.m., broadcast media confirmed tornado. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornado will be near Hopedale around 6:05 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Dillon. This includes Interstate 155 between mile markers 15 and 25.